runs better.
So there's the right part number for the condenser fan for this '07 Honda Fit. I've been going around town like crazy looking for this condenser fan. O'Reilly's didn't have the right one. Neither did any of the other parts stores, but I did manage to find it. I didn't have to go to the dealer, and we're gonna install it now. Yeah, yours. So today was a rough day for this Fit. The condenser fan I had problems finding. Both places I ordered them from sent me cooling fans, so I had to call someone else to go and find it. But we did manage to get it on. So come on, hit that like button and subscribe.